your Discord application stuck on startup on your Windows PC? I have few methods how you can solve it. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. Option 1. Try to completely close Discord and reopen it as administrator. To do this, click on your system tray icon on the taskbar, find the Discord icon, right-click and quit Discord. Then hit the Windows button on your keyboard or click on Start icon over here. Start typing Discord, and once the application is found, run as administrator. Click Yes in this window, and it often helps, really helps. Option 2. Clear the Discord cache. To do this, make sure your Discord is not opened in system tray. In other case, just right-click and quit. Then open your File Explorer. Click on the address bar and type in %appdata %. Hit Enter. Now open the Discord folder, double-click to open, and delete cache, code cache, and GPU cache. So delete these 3 folders and try to reopen Discord. If that didn't help, you may need to reinstall Discord. To do this, click on your Start icon, find Discord, start typing Discord, then uninstall this application. After this, open your File Explorer once again and go to the same folder, %appdata %, and delete the whole Discord folder this time. Next, open a new tab and type in %local appdata %, hit Enter, and delete this Discord folder. After this, go to Microsoft Store, Start menu, Microsoft Store, and then find Discord and reinstall this application. But guys, if you're reinstalling Discord application, you need to make sure that you remember your credentials, because you need to relog in. And that's pretty it for this video. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.